The Great Homework Debate. Fun versus frustration in student life. Homework has long been a part of student life, but opinions on it remain divided. Some see it as an essential tool for learning, while others view it as an unnecessary burden. So, is homework a valuable learning experience or just extra stress? For many students, homework reinforces classroom lessons. It helps them practice skills, develop discipline, and gain a deeper understanding of subjects. Teachers argue that assignments encourage independent thinking and prepare students for future challenges. Some even find creative ways to make homework fun, such as group projects, interactive activities, or real-world applications. On the other hand, too much homework can lead to frustration. Long hours of assignments leave students feeling overwhelmed, cutting into time for rest, hobbies, and family. Critics argue that excessive homework increases stress and reduces creativity, making learning feel like a chore rather than an exciting journey. The key may lie in balance. A reasonable amount of homework can benefit students, but schools should avoid overloading them. Short, engaging assignments with real-life relevance can make learning enjoyable. Teachers and parents must also encourage students to manage time wisely, ensuring